the bureau in the snow, catch a train to Uncle Paul, early evening ring around the moon. Slipping by the concierge, by the bikes and up the stairs, snap the latch and creep into the room. Throw off your coat, pick up the post, put a coffee on. Lie down on the bed, lay back your head, smoke a cigarette, and listen to the radio. Listen to the radio. In the city late tonight, double feature black and white, bitter tears and taxi to the club.